In this video, we're going to be looking at heel flicks, which are a great running drill, and I'm going to be showing you two variations. Now, this drill can be referred to as C-skips, so it follows the A, B, C progression. We can even move on to D-skips. However, you'll see different terminology for these, people putting things in different orders to match the gait cycle. So I tend to just refer to these as heel flicks. Now, the standard heel flicks involves keeping the knees low. So we're not raising the legs up. So the heels are just coming towards the glutes, so the buttocks, hence why they're often referred to as butt kicks. And it's a great way, often with the hands there, of just warming up the legs. You get a good dynamic stretch through the quads, we're mobilizing the knee joints. So it's a great drill, running along, knees low, just flicking the heels towards the glutes. Can't fault the movement. However, this isn't necessarily specific to how the heel lifts during running. Now, we do want that heel high, so getting that heel above the crease of the knee. Now, let's look against the post. If I keep the knees low, my foot hits the post. But what actually happens as we run, rather than the heel just coming back like so, we also get the action from the hip flexor. So the hamstring is pulling us through and getting that heel lift, and the hip flexor is pulling the leg forwards and through to this front side mechanic. So with the knee low, so we're not working the muscles to the front here, I hit the post. Now when I do this, and I get the hip action to the front, it stays away. So even though the heel's coming up high towards the glute, the hip is pulling it through. So this is a second way to perform the drill. So rather than keeping the knees low, like so, we're going to keep the knees high. So the knees come up, we're still getting that heel lift, and what you actually find is the more you concentrate on driving the knee high, the more we engage the hamstrings. You can actually feel quite a pump in the hamstring muscles. It's often referred to as what is the Z position. So here, we've got that Z. From the foot, that's ankle, that's dorsal flexed, into here to here. So we want it nice and tight. We don't want the foot flailing out to the rear. We want that nice, tight position. So as we get that heel lift, it's being pulled through in a good Z position. Real efficient running. So let's take a look with the knees high, heels up, making sure that I'm maintaining that stiff, rigid ankle position. So let's take a quick look at them drills in an outdoor setting.